Launched in 2011 by Pixowl, Sandbox, Sand is a blockchain-based virtual world that allows its users to create, build, buy and sell digital assets in the form of games. By combining decentralized autonomous organizations, DAO, and non-fungible tokens, NFT, Sandbox has succeeded in creating a decentralized platform for the gaming community. The Sandbox platform has a focus on facilitating a creative, play-to-earn model, allowing users to be creators and gamers alike. Not only that, this platform also has a utility token called Sand. Sand is used to facilitate transactions across platforms. Sandbox, Sand, began trading on August 14, 2020 with an initial coin offering (ICO) price of $0.008. Not long after that, the price of Sand immediately jumped and Sand was trading at a value of $0.09. After a correction to the value of $0.04 a week later, the Sand price slightly increased to $0.07. In September, Sand prices eased to 3 United States cents, before consolidating for the rest of the month, mostly in the range of $0.036 to $0.052. Further, in October, Sand rose to a value of $0.055. November, Sand managed to make some gains as the price managed to climb back up to $0.05. Unfortunately, the increase did not last long. Sand values returned but fell in late December. Sand ended 2020 at $0.036, providing a return of 350% of its ICO price. The year 2021 brings even more joy to Sand holders. During the first 3 weeks of January, the price continued to rise to 5 United States cents. Before a more than 100% jump in one day brought the Sand value above 10 United States cents. Unfortunately, the upward trend did not last long. Sand ended the first month